Namaste. Today we are going to prepare a Saptasiddhi medicated water for Corona. I will explain how to prepare the Saptasiddhi medicated Vedic water to prevent Corona to some extent. Welcome. First we have to enlight the lamp with the invocation. Om Bhadram Garne Vishrunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pashyemakshibiryajatra Sthirairangai Estustuvagum Sastanubihi Veshemade Devahidam Medayuhu Swastina Indro Vridhasravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti nastarchyo arishtanebihi Swasti no Brihaspadirdhadadu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Then we have to offer some flower in front of Deva Lakshmi and the goddess and the gods whoever you worship. Om Mahalakshmi Namaha Shri Guru Bhavana Puresha Swamine Namaha Om Sarva Devadha Surubhebhyo Namaha. Then we have to take purified water from whatever source we are having. Now I am taking water from the source which I am having, and you have to take water to the maximum level of around 2 liters. Likewise, once we taken the 2 liters of water from the good source, then while taking the water we have to chant or hear Om. While chanting, we have to first we will invite the Varuna Devada for purity. Om Abhova Idagam Sarvam Vishwa Bhodanyavaha Prana Abaha Pashava Abaha Samdadabaha Vidadabaha Swaradabaha Chandagishyabaha Jodigimshiyabaha Ijugimshiyabaha Satyamabaha Sarva Devata Abho Bodhuvasvara Bhavom Tattvayami Brahmana Vandamanas Aste Ejamano Havirbihi Ahedamano Varuneha Bodhirshagam Samana Ayu Pramoshihi Asmin Tirte Sagala Punya Hadevadam Varunam Dhyayami Varunamavahayami Varunasya Idamasanam Varunaya Namaha Sagaladhanai Swachidham Gange Jayamune Jaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Guru Sarve Samudra Sarida Tirtha Nyahridani Cha Ayandho Corona Paniya Jhalartam Dudakshayakaraka. After that, we have to put the water into fire. To invoke fire, there are many mantras. Now I am invoking the mantras with one of them. Om Jata Vedase Sunavama Soma Maradhi Yado Nidaha Divedaha Sanappa Sadadi Durghani Vishwa ജ്ഞാവേവ സിന്ധും ദുരിതാത്യഗ്നിഃ വൈശ്വാനരായ വിദ്മഹേ ലാലീലായ ധീമഹി തന്നോ അഗ്നി പ്രചോദയാത്. After we have invoked Agni and invoked Punya Devada and all other Saptagodi Mahatirthas in the purified water. Now we are making Sapta Shuddhi for this water for prevention of corona. To make the Sapta Shuddhi water, these varieties, thus you can see this is Vendayam or Bindi one. The another one is turmeric powder, Mannapodi. Then Dhania, the coriander, the black cumin seeds, Karinjeeragam, black pepper, Kurumalagu, Jeeragam, the cumin seed, and the Daha Shamani. It is available in the market. So we are going to prepare the Sapta Shuddhi water from these ingredients. There are 7 ingredients are there. One turmeric powder, other one Daha Shamani, third one the cumin seed Jeeragam, the fourth one the black pepper, the fifth one the black cumin Karinjeeragam, and the sixth one Bindi, the Vendayam, and seventh one the coriander Dhania. Now to prepare this water we will chant one mantra. Just hear this mantra. Jyotiraham viraja vipapma bhoja phaggasvaha vang manastakshasrotra jihvaghraneto buddhako. While hearing that mantra itself, we have to put this level of turmeric powder into that one. After that, the Dhania to 1 spoon. Then next, the cumin seeds Jeeragam to 1 spoon. After that, we have to put pepper, black pepper, 1 spoon. 1 spoon of black pepper. After that, we have to put black cummins. It is little costly, but it is very effective in prevention of pandemic diseases. Shastras told. This is black cummins, Karinjeeragam. After that, we have to put the Bindi, the Vendayam to this water. Finally, the Daha Shamani is available in the market. It is Daha Shamani. Daha Shamani powder will be like this. From this, we have to put this much. Then we have to write to make the water. Within this time, we have to chant this Saptashuddhi mantra.
Rigvidhanaya swaha, Kashoatkaya swaha, Kshupipasamalam jeshtamalakshmirna jajamyaham, Abhutimadamardhinta sarvam nirmadame papanagya swaha.
Likewise, this is the mantra is taken from Viraja Homa mantra. This mantra chanting is very easy. If one is possible to chant, you can chant. Otherwise, you have to hear by playing a tape recorder. Pranabhanavyano samano me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Vamganachachitchotrajihva kranaredo buddhya griti sankalpo me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Takcharmamam sarujirameda majjasnyayavosti me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Shirappanipadapasya prishtodara jangashisno bastapayavo me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Uttishta purusha harita pingala lohida chidehi dehi dabaida dabaida me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Prithivyabhastejo vayuragasho me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Shabdasparsarooparasagandha me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Manovakaya karmani me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Avyakta bhavairahangare jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Atma me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Antaratma me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Paramatma me shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. Kshute swaha. Kshutpivasaya swaha. Vidhe swaha. Rigvidhanaya swaha. Kashotkaya swaha. Kshutpivasamalam jeshtamalakshmirnashayamyaham. Abodhivasamardhinja sarvangharnarame papmanagam swaha. Annamaya pranamaya manomaya vijnanamaya anandamaya atma ve shuddhyandam jyotiraham viraja vibhatma bhuya sagya swaha. While chanting or hearing the time, our medicated Saptashuddhi medicated water is ready to take. Now we will switch off the fire and wait for some time, and the water is ready. It is medically purified as well as Vedically purified by invoking all deities concerned. After that, after making the water to cool or minimum heat, you can take. While taking this water, we have to chant any Varuna mantra is good. Aghala mrityuharanam sarva vyadi nivaranam samasta papakshegaram sagala त्रयत्रिंशत्कोटिदेवता पादोदकं मन्त्रपूधोदकं कोरोनानिवृत्तिप्रदं पावनं शुभम्. Wish you all a country without corona and the universe without corona. I bow in the lotus feet of Dhanvantari with the Dhanvantari mantra to complete this video clip. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanadaya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha. Anaya Corona Nivritti Pradapani Sarve Mahajanaha Nirogha Dridaghatrada Siddhi Pradaha Bhuya Siddhi Bhavanto Mahandho Niganhanto Sarve Janaha Sugino Bhavanto Samasta Sanmanghalani Santo Uttarottaraabhivriddhirastu. Asmin mandre asmin karme madhye sambhavita mantradandra shraddha lobhadayaha sadya shantidama bhuyasiti bhavanto mahandho niganvanto sarve gurupadugarpanamastu. Ayushkirtim prajam dhatuhu Uttarottaraabhivriddhirastu.